This is quite the granite slab.
Yeah.
Oh, I think this is the cliff. Maybe. I don't know. I'm gonna look. No, wait, the cliff's over there. But there probably is a bit of a drop. Oh, the trail's right here too. Yeah, there's a little bit. Oop. Now is not the time to trip, John. Hey, that's a pretty view. You can hear water running underneath the rocks.
Yeah.
Steep. Rocky. Ow. Ah. Meadow just up ahead. I think we're gonna have rain today. There's already a bunch of clouds. It's still the morning. Maybe after 10. A lot of clouds. Nice campsites down here. I think we're near the Fish Creek footbridge. Fish Creek footbridge. I was right. So that wasn't the Fish Creek footbridge. I noticed that we were still going downhill when we should have been going uphill. So I double checked the map and my Garmin and compared the two. And we're not far from the trail junction and the Fish Creek footbridge, but we're not there yet. And from there, it's a mile to Tully Hole, where we plan to have lunch and then tackle the uphill portion of the end of our hike for today. It's currently just after 10:40. Pretty shaded because of the clouds and the trees. Lots of clouds, but fairly nice hike. A little steep at times with too many rock steps. But we're making decent time, I think. It'll take us longer to go uphill to Lake Virginia. Elevation gain of about 800 feet. Probably less than 3 miles. But there's a section where we will gain most of that through switchbacks. That's my guess. So. Oh look, here's a footbridge. This is the Fish Creek Bridge. Wow. Cascading down all the way. Hey, just don't drop your phone. That would really suck. Oh yeah, I'm gonna lower my poles. That is so cool. So we're at the junction to the Fish Creek Trail, 1 mile from Tully Hole. It's, I think, about 11:40 something. And so we're gonna go to Tully Hole, have lunch, and we have, at that point, we'll have about 800 feet to climb. From here we got about 1,400 feet. So, and weather forecast is saying that, well, in my opinion, rain is likely. Even though they say 10%, but I saw these clouds early morning, so likely rain. So we're gonna get going. Hopefully, end our trek today, maybe mid-afternoon. Oh, that is so pretty, man. Well, that's a big tree. Morning. Thank you. Morning. Happy trails. Look at all these. I may have been bit by a mosquito, I'm not sure. Lots of little flowers. So we're at the junction to Tully Hole where we're gonna eat lunch and refill water, and it just started to rain a little bit. So hopefully not much, but it is starting to rain. And I did get my first mosquito bite, unfortunately. Somehow it got on my shoulder, I didn't notice, and it bit me. It's definitely raining steadily. Nice little meadow though, and creek.
I was texting my husband. I said, so let me know if the weather gets bad. And we need to take shelter. I think he kind of missed.
Yeah.
Must be busy sitting there in the office with the dog.
It could be. I know with my Garmin it gives you a weather forecast, and this morning it's like, oh, 10%, and I saw the clouds earlier. I was like, yeah, right.
Yeah.
Now it says 100%, like, well, yeah. I called it, so.
We saw like 4 puffy clouds this morning.
Mm-hmm.
And then by the time we summited, we looked back and there was like 50 puffy clouds.
Yeah.
Like, oh, it's coming.
Yeah, I saw that. I was like, yeah, there's going to be rain today.
You know, we told this guy, we're like, be careful, we had thunderstorms yesterday. And he looked at the clouds, he's like, okay, like, whatever. I'm like,
Yeah, he'll find out.
He'll find out.
We know how it is in the Sierra.
Yes, once you see a couple clouds, you know it's going to rain.
Yep. Oh, but it does make for spectacular scenery and a bit of an adventure.
You always have to have an adventure.
Yep. But you won't forget this, Beth.
I know. That one was just like super cool.
It was like right there.
Yeah.
We're like, we should just stop and look. And it was like, we're like, okay. And we counted like 1 second. We're like, okay.
Yeah, I saw the flash and it caused me to flinch.
Yeah.
I was like, oh no. Man. It's starting to come down harder. Oh man.
Yeah, I think we waited like 15 minutes yesterday, and it's like, well, there hasn't been anything. I guess we'll keep moving.
Yeah, we only got a couple drops, I guess because of our slow pace up the switchback. We've pretty much missed it all.
Yeah. It's the higher you die.
I didn't see it, did you? No.
No, I didn't see any lightning either.
Yeah. Well, that's a better spot than right there.
It's a beautiful meadow down there.
Yeah, behind us is where we're headed. It's like up.
Coming down hard again with
I know.
sleet.
That mountain is getting
Darker and
darker and darker.
Starting to fade away into the clouds.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I wonder if we'll see anybody coming down the trail.
Right?
Oh gosh, I hope not.
Probably running.
Running to the tree.
Yes.
I think it's cooled off enough that the lightning will stop. But look, it's still building up there.
Oh yeah, it's pouring. Oh, it's pouring.
It's like way over here. I see one spot of blue. And sunshine. Far, far away.
Yeah. There's a wood grouse like 5 feet from us. Should be right around the corner here now. There he goes. There's a few of them.